Hello, this is Jimenez. In this final video about my GPS project, I continue with the explanation of the last part of this technology. Now, I will present you the program I use for calculating the position of a GPS receiver using the actual raw data directly from GPS satellites. This program took me 5 months to complete during the coronavirus pandemic. It has nearly 1,000 lines of code and I used formulas and methods from the academia, existing libraries, software repositories, and programs of hobbyists and programmers. I wrote the program originally for MATLAB, but I transformed it to Python language. It uses object-oriented programming, and I designed classes for the information of each of the 32 GPS satellites, their ephemerid information, ionospheric data, and carrier and code transmission, like Doppler, ADR, etc. It uses the Python NumPy library, which is the main motivation for adopting this language. It uses functions from other external programs for other calculations, and internal programs. First, from any commercial receiver, I need to use raw GPS data including satellites' ephemerids, ionospheric data, and carrier and code transmission, like Doppler, ADR, etc. I was able to collect data in 3 Excel files for demonstration purposes. As you can see now on the screen, these are the values, some in integer and many in floating point format. You can see on the screen the result from the calculations to obtain the position of the GPS receiver. It is the latitude and longitude of the position of the receiver at the time of collecting the data. If you transfer these results to a Google map, you can see the position. The main purpose of writing the program is to show you the methodology of redundant measurements and optimal mathematical adjustment, and least square adjustment in testing hypothesis for redundant measurements. These studies belong to Professor T. Unison in Delft University, Holland, whose team I was able to meet and work with during my job experience in Toyota Motors. I intend to show in my new series of videos how to use them in my module of artificial intelligence for the detection of tampered data and falsification of information.